Welcome to my channel. My name is TaHoney. I am back with another video, and today's video is sponsored by Cynosure hair. Y'all, when I say I definitely love this wig, they sent me this 28-inch wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy middle part bomb straight look. Everything about this company will be in the description box, so let's get right into the video.
You change overnight.
You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, if it's that you do know. But never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it, I want it, yeah. Never fall out of love with you. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you.
So guys, this is the final look. I definitely love this wig. When I say this was a 12 out of 10, I love everything about it, from the silkiness, from the way the lace laid to the baby hairs, literally everything. I did bleach the knots as well, y'all. Everything about this company will be in the description box, as well as my discount code. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Also, we'll be turning around, showing y'all a better view of the hair. As I mentioned, this is a 28-inch wig, and it was definitely given 32 inches. It definitely was long, and I am 5'6". Y'all, I definitely love this wig. As I mentioned, everything will be in the description box. Definitely go check out Cynosure hair. Everything about this company will be in the description box. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 50K. We're in the road to 100K. Until next time, y'all know the vibes. I will see y'all in my next video.
You change overnight.